hello everybody. We're going to be doing the the sneezing challenge. I don't know how long I have to do this, but apparently I have to just sneeze for an hour. It's gonna be boring, I know, but don't worry, I'll try to make it funny for you guys, okay? Here we go. Doctor told me I have the allergies for some reason, and I don't know why, you see. I haven't been doing anything. Biscuits! That really wasn't a sneeze, I just said biscuits. Maybe I want biscuits. No, it's gotta be something else. I've got it! KFC! Oh, no, not KFC. Probably something much more delicious than KFC. How about Burger King? Oh, that was hard coming out. Anyway, no, not really a taste for Burger King. No, Chipotle! No, not Chipotle. Fuck, what foods could I... Chew! This is tough. I'm still thinking, though. Don't worry. Chew! Jesus Christ. I hate having the allergies. It totally sucks.